Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the Forex market. So yesterday we have taken a look at the Great British Pound just because of the really nice trading setup that exists on the high time frames on the monthly chart, and we still keep watching on it. And today we just briefly will cover make some update on the recent analysis. Meantime, on the euro currency you could see that market shows the minor bounce. So in general we talked about the minor retracement after strong rally. This market retested this trend line, so it hit the overbought area, but you can see that pullback stands in really tight range, and it brings absolutely no damage, no hazard to existing bullish context. So if market will not erase this big rally that has happened recently on the CPI report and will not drop below these lows, probably this will be just a retracement before possible upward action. So as we said, we're mostly watching for the starting, potential starting, we do not know, but since actually this is the last area where the bread and butter trade could start on the weekly chart, it will either fail or start. We're particularly watching for this level. So this is important scenario between the XOP and the fib level, creating the agreement resistance. So trend line also stands here, overbought stands slightly above it. In general, this is an interesting area where a potential market could show moderate pullback. Well, for so significant pullback, because the bread and butter on the weekly chart, if it will start, it will be the drop somewhere back to the 106 area, and obviously that this pullback probably would be triggered by something important event. So because this is will be more than the 3 points to the downside, it's significant area, significant range for daily time frame. But currently it still looks like the minor pullback, and we do not see currently the signs that this might be the really downward drop. So that's why we still think that here should be some probably attempt to test this area first. On lower time frame, on the follow time frame chart, here's the same level that we already talked about. This is confidence support 107.47, 107.24. So our primary level to watch for, and here's might be interesting opportunity for taking the long position if market will reach it. But it also could happen that market will reach just 108. It's minor retracement because market actually is standing right now to the major target, because here's actually just few cents stands until the XOP will be reached. And in such circumstances, when the market is not at overbought, so usually market, especially after the so strong upward action, market usually very rare shows deep retracements. More probable that we will get something the same like it was here. So you can see acceleration, small retracement, and acceleration again. Here's once again, it's also might be something of this kind. So maybe it will test 108 level, reaching of the 107.25 is possible, retesting of this top, but the chances for that, well, it's not very significant. Besides, this level also could be considered some kind of the protection. The previous tops also stands here. This will be a nice support area. So normally, if market remains bullish, it should not break it down. So in the current combination of the technical moments. And so that's 2 cents on the euro currency. On the hourly chart, currently we see, I don't know how to call it. Well, definitely not some kind of we don't have the ABCD. Maybe we could treat this as some kind of the double top or something. But if we will use the harmony that usually applies to the classical double top pattern, this market should drop approximately the same area as it stands to the upside from the neckline. It points on an area around 107.70. This is in between of the two levels. So it suggests a 50% retracement of the most recent rally. So that's what we could really get on the hourly chart. I did not see any other patterns to use for possible estimation target of the downside target. So now if we take a look at the Great British Pound, here's also everything goes with the plan. In fact, we need only the hourly chart recall what we talked about recently. That's probably market stance in retracement, and retracement could be deep in the same manner as it was right there. Just to remind you, let's take a look at the same chart that we talked about yesterday's 4-hour time frame chart. That's the confidence support that we have discussed and agreed to keep an eye on. It's at 23.10, 23.26 is a confluence, and also as you can see this previous top loss. So potentially market could trying to reach it before possible upward action continue. And on the hourly chart, you could see that now we have the ABCD compared to the euro currency. On the euro, we have the C point above the A. On the cable, we have normal ABCD pattern. And OP stands precisely in 23.25. So OP create an agreement with the confidence support area, and that just makes it better and more reliable. So that's the level that we will be watching for probably on the next week and see what will happen around it. XOP stands 24.45. 22.45, it stands slightly above the 618 level. So this level, just to remind you, we use as some validity indicator. So if market keep bullish context as we suggest, and that's probably should keep going higher, it should not break it down. So if we'll see that market is dropping below 2240, below the XOP, and testing this level, mostly this rally will be erased, and that will be a bad sign for the bullish context. Hopefully this will not happen, and currently all our attention stand around this conference, so we need to see what will happen there.